What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Fails, and the title of the video is entitled "Brat Calls Daddy." Okay, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here. What the heck?
Can you roll your back window?
I'm right here.
Can you roll your back window down for me?
Why?
Because I can't see in it.
Well, ain't nobody back there.
It doesn't matter. Roll your back window down.
0854190.
Roll the back window down.
What happened?
You guys went around a big sign that said street closed.
I know, but I lived down that way. I was about to go home. And then when I see, I went around that. Okay, so I was going to go this way and go home. On Market Street. I live at East Market Street.
Well, what happened that you rolled the
I just went around the barricade. But you want me to roll my back window down?
Never step out. Yeah, I need it.
All right, I'm going to need you to step out of the car for me. Oh, supervisor.
Yeah. Okay, I need your driver's license.
So I'm pulled over for what?
I already
Going
told
around the
you.
barricade.
Either give me your driver's license or step out.
she can give you a license. Where is it?
Daddy.
It's gonna be up to .19.
So the police got to pull me over and
Call.
she
Okay, hey, this is one of those moments where they call daddy, man. You don't see that very often, man. Typically, it's always calling mommy. Mommy can't get you out of this one, but hey, who knows? Daddy might be able to get. Nah, he ain't gonna be able to get you out of this trouble either. But at least the fathers are getting some love around here, okay? Let's go.
wanted me to roll down my back window.
Too pretty.
But she didn't tell me why she wanted me to roll my back window down. I'm on Columbus Ave. She didn't tell me why.
She did tell you why. She said that she couldn't see in the back window, but we're just gonna skip that part. You know, clearly you can't hear.
So I asked them
Can I
why.
reach back there to get it?
He should have rolled it down. Now
Just
they want me
hang
to
tight.
step out because
Yep.
I went around the barricade. I said, yes, I went around it because I was going home. So then I was
Okay,
going the other way to
step
go home.
out of the vehicle.
So now you hear them, Daddy? Stay on the phone. Now they want me to step out the vehicle. Listen,
Yep.
Turn around, face
I'm
that
on
way.
Columbus Ave, I said.
Okay. Put,
Turn around, face that way.
yeah, put the phone down.
Don't worry about it. I got it.
What is it, the church?
Okay. Let's walk back here.
The church, stay on the phone. Honey, ain't nothing on me. Do you want what's in my pockets? Here you go.
Can you turn around?
Get off of me.
We're not.
Get off of me.
We are not doing that.
Oh, but you already did it. And I
Do anything. I never called you.
don't know, Daddy. I'm telling you, like,
How
just
much
put my
have you had to
handcuffs on.
drink?
Mind your business.
Okay.
No, she didn't tell me nothing. What day is right now? Right now.
We'll have one cuss too.
You hear him? Right now.
Because she's not compliant.
Keisha, get my phone. Come and get my phone.
No,
He just took my phone off of me.
Let's
Yep,
go.
you stay in that car.
He just took my phone off of me. Keisha, get my phone, dog. God.
Get back in the car. Sit down in the car.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Yep, I got her.
Excuse me. I could get in. Give me my phone, please.
No, you're not having your phone. Get in the car.
Why?
Get in the car.
Why?
Because I told you, get in the car.
you're
Or you're going to get
But
pulled
you're
in
not
the
telling me
car.
what.
Okay, you're either going to get in the car or you're going to get pulled in. Those are your options.
And I'm gonna get right out. Quit playing with me.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Man, shut the door.
Okay, you're under arrest for OBI.
Ah, funny.
See if she has a valid license.
Do you have a valid license?
Yeah, but my purse and everything, because she was getting ready to drop me off. I live down the street. Everything is at my house.
Okay.
Clear any prior point 19. Don't let her go yet. So she blows through the barricades down there. We catch up to her. Back windows are tinted. She asked her to roll them down. She starts getting an attitude. Why are you asking me to roll them down? Why are you asking? So the passenger ends up rolling the window down for me. She goes, what did we get stopped for? I said, you guys went right around the sign that said street closed. So then she starts arguing, I'm not giving you my driver's license. Tell me why you stopped me. And I'm like, well, we already told you why we stopped you.
I asked
So
her to
then-
step out the
yeah,
car.
so I
She's
told her to-
refusing. She won't give me your information.
Who's this? Reeks of booze. I don't know. So she identified.
She has a friend. She's got a valid license.
Vehicle comes back to Brat.
Oh, we didn't run it yet.
Yeah. Run it, see who it comes back to. She has prior point 19 that's getting towed.
Do you have a ride in case?
Yeah, she,
I'm going right there to a bridal shower.
Or it's gone down the street?
Yeah.
have you had anything to drink today?
No,
No?
No, but
Would you be just
I can take her car to her.
I was gonna say, would you be willing to take a breathalyzer to show, just so we can say that you're under the legal limit, so that you can drive the car away? It doesn't matter what you blow.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, if,
I'm going right there. If somebody else needs to come get her car, I'll come get her. I mean, I'll have somebody come get her car with driver's license.
Yeah.
I don't.
no, do you want to take a breathalyzer? Like I said, you're the passenger, so no matter what you blow, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, she ain't trying to do no breathalyzer. She been drinking though. She been drinking. If she hasn't been drinking and she takes a breathalyzer, I would be shocked. I ain't gonna lie to you, because the driver, she smacked.
It's just so I can say, like, yeah, she was sober and she took the car.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I'm just going right there. If she want to leave her car and have her dad come, because she did call her dad. Where's her phone?
We have her phone.
Yeah, we have her phone.
Her dad was on the phone. He can come get it. I'm just going right there.
Okay.
Okay, so you don't want to take the car.
No, I don't like driving nobody else's car. I don't have insurance on her car. I don't have, I don't know the rules about driving with no insurance. I don't have insurance on her car. She literally lives right there.
If she's got insurance on the vehicle, you can drive it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, as long as she's fine with it.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you don't want to drive it, that's fine.
Yeah,
we just got to figure out what we're gonna do with it.
But if her dad, can y'all?
Call the dad?
And she was on the phone with her dad.
Yeah, she's not getting her phone.
Yeah.
Can y'all give me the number to call him?
We can't get into her phone.
If she was a little bit more cooperative, I would just have her call him.
I tried to tell her.
I heard you trying.
I tried to tell her to just do what y'all asked.
Yeah.
I know.
Where were you guys coming from?
My house. She lived right here. I live right here, and she was going to take me to get my car. And then I was going right here too. I have a cousin that's getting married.
Okay.
That's why I look like this. The bridal shower is right. It's literally right there where those cars are.
At that one place on the corner. Okay.
Yeah.
How much did she had to drink?
I don't know. She didn't. She picked me up.
You didn't smell it?
No,
Ma'am, she'd like to talk to you for a minute, because I asked her. Yeah, you can come over.
Okay.
Bring your phone just in case she gives you a number.
Okay.
Roll the window down.
Yep.
Where is she?
This first car. Yep. She's gonna roll the window down for you.
They have it, but they said they can't give it to me.
Why I don't have it?
I know, but they said they can't give it to me.
But I don't have it.
Yeah.
What's your dad number? Cause then
It's in my phone.
I asked them and they wouldn't give it to me.
But I don't have my phone. So
I
they
know
have to-
they have your phone, but they're not giving me your phone or the number.
Stay right. Daddy about
That's
to
why I
come.
said he finna come. That's why I was like,
so stay
he
with
about to come,
stay with my
right?
car.
I'm gonna stay with your car.
Stay with my car so
No,
Daddy can
I'm
go
going
get
to
me.
stay with
We're
your
rated at 2255.
said,
Okay. If
because
you
you
want to
said
have
her
a
dad's
seat, yeah, if you
coming.
want to have a seat in the car, we'll give him.
You know
Is
the
he
phone
coming
number
from
on
down
here?
the street?
No, it's in the car. I don't know this. I don't know Daddy number.
Is he coming from down the street? Where's Dad live at?
I don't know.
If she want,
How far?
her
I
on
was
your
asking
phone.
if she could just give me the number out of her phone. If she can give
Where does your dad live at?
her dad's number.
Or how long is it going to take him to get here?
I don't know how far he is.
You got my phone. How do I know?
Well, you know where he's at, don't you?
No, I do not. I was on the phone with him when you.
Come on, they doing all of this. If y'all really don't want to tow it, y'all might as well just let her open up her phone and come on. Like, I get it. She was being a brat or whatever. I understand that. But it seems like the officers do not want to tow it. So doing all of this questioning back and forth when you could have just got the phone and got the number out of it. Hello? Like, come on.
All right, this is what's gonna happen. Do you want her to have your phone so you contact your dad? If not, we're gonna have to tow it. Okay? We're not gonna.
I want her to have my phone. My dad is coming, but I can't tell you where he at because y'all got my
Listen,
phone.
do you want her to have your phone then?
I just said that.
Yes,
Let's give her
yes.
the phone to her so she.
Yeah.
It's Aaron's birthday, 04/20/06. That's how you unlock it.
Okay.
Just make sure you get on the phone, get the ETA when it's coming.
Brittany, pop the truck.
Tell her that's not enough number.
What's the code?
04.
04. Hold on. 04, 90 days. Do you understand that?
Do you want to provide a breath sample? Yes or no? Would you like to provide a breath sample? Okay, it's a refusal.
Okay.
You're under
No,
administrative.
it's not a refusal.
Are you-
You
So are you gonna take-
arrested me?
Are you going to provide a breath
No,
sample?
You arrested
Yes or no?
me. You arrested
Yes
me.
or no?
I'm arrested.
Correct.
I don't have to do anything. I'm arrested.
Okay.
Now let's go
That's
to
it.
jail.
So that's no?
Let's go. Take me to jail.
So you're under driving.
I'm already arrested.
Yep.
Take me to
So now
jail.
your license is suspended for a year, okay?
Yeah, you made it up. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, other than the two.
So your driver's license is suspended for a year, okay? You can't speak with the...
I know I gotta go to court. Be suspended for a year.
No. We suspend your license since you refused.
I didn't
So
refuse anything.
I asked you if you wanted...
You arrested me before I
Okay, well, I'm not going to argue with you. You're,
Oh
yep.
no, baby, we take it. Oh my God.
Well, I'll see you there. Okay. All right. Hold on. Go back to that video. But anyways, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this one. I feel like the cops they did their job. They did their thing. You know what I'm saying? They did their job. But as far as the phone situation, that was just a lot of chit-chat and a lot of talking, man. Me personally, I don't like to do all that talking. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just, I'm real straightforward, you know. But, so I give them a 3. They did it pretty all right, but they was a little lenient. Kind of, in the beginning, they was like, okay, roll down the window. Okay, I need you to step out. She's like, no. Okay, well, then just give me your ID. And then here's your choices. You got the ID or you can step out. You already told her to step out. So that's the next move. Step out. Like, it's like whatever command you tell them, like, that's what you got to stand on. It's like, whatever. So I'm giving them a 3. How well do you think these officers did? Let me know in the comment section and I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.